How to hide app purchases in the App Store. Here's how to do it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Purchased. If you're using family sharing, you may need to tap My Purchases. Now, find the app you want to hide. Swipe left on the app, then tap Hide. The app will be removed from your purchase list, making it less visible in your App Store purchase history. Keep in mind that hiding a purchased app does not delete it from your iPhone, cancel any subscriptions, or prevent it from appearing in your purchase history associated with your Apple ID. It simply hides the app from the purchase list. And that's it. You've successfully hidden an app purchase in the App Store on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.